everybody, it's Jen from Lux Tech Travel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And also, I wanted to share a nice little update. We're going to be putting the tech and travel together in a video, actually a series of videos, because we are going to CES 2020. First time there, CES, Lux Tech Travel. We're going to be meeting the vendors. We're going to be checking out the updates on the latest tech. And we're going to be doing some collab videos with some other content creators, live streaming. Definitely you have to subscribe so you can get the latest updates and get the inside scoop on the parties that are also going to be happening. So let's get to this unboxing. So today we have another Spigen case. And this is an Ultra Hybrid, which I have done a video on, but I was intrigued by the S model, which features a kickstand. So I figured let's check this one out. I got it on Amazon, retails for $15.99. They have a jet black or a true clear. So I got the jet black edging. Love that Spigen gives us very standard packaging, but because they have their clear backs that are see-through, so you could show off your midnight green color if you have that, you are going to need to do some protective film removal from the front and the inside. So I'm going to take care of that off camera, and we'll be back with a review of this case. All right, so we've got the corners prepped, thanks to Jose, because I can't do that with my nails. All right, one side done, and you have the inside layer as well. While this may seem like a hassle, I mean, I appreciate it because that way I know that the clear backing is in pristine condition and doesn't come with any issues that might happen due to packaging or shipping. So let's talk about what I was most interested in, which is the kickstand. So here the kickstand is metal, which is really nice, and you don't have to like really work too hard. It kind of basically springs open, and it has a little magnet here and a little magnet there. So when you do close it, it stays shut. Or does it? Oh no! Let's try that again. I'm gonna give them another shot. Come on, Spigen. Well, there it goes. It does not stay shut. This magnet is fake news, guys. What are you gonna do? But it's still cool. It's nice. Well, you have the Spigen logo here. Clear backing. Jet black edges. Volume buttons look nice. Cutouts. I mean, there's nothing really too crazy about this case. You've got your cutouts here. Let's put it on the phone.
Looks like it's gonna look really nice. I like the black outline of the camera. It gives it a really nice look.
All right, so you heard it from Jose. He likes the black edging. And it does, yeah, it does look nice because you've got the camera lenses that, you know, they do look black, so.
And that black edging is actually raised higher than the clear back, so when it rests on a table, you don't scratch your clear back.
Yeah, you do see right there in the corner, the edging is raised. The camera does have raised lip, but you've got this kickstand back here. That's super raised, so definitely your back is going to be off any tables or surfaces. I'm kind of bummed. Like the whole kickstand just threw me off, guys. I was so excited about it when I had read it. And I was like, magnetic closure? Whoa! And let's do it again with the phone on. I just can't let go of the fact that it doesn't stay. And I mean, I'm you know, swinging it forward, but. All right, well, let's see what this kickstand is all about.
The fact that it's metal is really nice.
It does work. Does it work sideways? No. There's your kickstand, guys.
Try the sideways again. No. Oh, no.
There's your sideways. He wanted me to try it. Little slam test. Yeah, still good. This, if you see it, there is a crack here, but that was there already. Because, as you've noticed in all my videos, I have a tendency to drop my phone. Which is why I got into case reviews. Because I'm their biggest supporter. So, Spigen Ultra Hybrid S model. S means that it comes with this little kickstand feature. I don't know. If you think that it won't bother you, that it doesn't technically stay closed with the magnetic closure, then hey, take advantage that you have a nice metal kickstand. It's not plastic, which is nice. You know.
What's the price on that?
$15.99, I said in the beginning of the video. We have given you a true review. You know, we showed you the highlights, which are, it has nice appeal as far as the way it looks on the phone. It has raised edges, which is also nice. It does have a kickstand, but we will also show you the truth in our videos. And the truth is that the metal closure does not stay, even though it has magnets. They don't, I guess, advertise that it's supposed to stay shut, but what would you have magnets for if it wasn't meant to? So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Again, please be sure to subscribe because we are going to CES 2020 in Las Vegas. We are going to be doing up-to-date live streams, collabs, attending the parties, possibly seeing other content creators. I mean, as soon as I see iJustine, I'm fangirling. Don't care, no shame. So be sure to like, share these videos, subscribe, and comment below if there's any other cases that you want us to review, and check out before you decide to treat yourself. This is another video review from Lux Tech Travel. Peace.